Hello guys. Hello Apolino. Say hello to the guys, the followers. Say hello. Say hello. Hello guys. Okay, here's the video of the second part of the renovation of the
kitchen.
You got it. There you go. All right, kisses from Apollo. Catch the video. Try to watch it to the end. It helps the algorithm.
Thank you.
This thing we ordered online and I can wait to install it. It's exactly the size and the color we were looking for. It seems a little bit bigger, but the measurement should fit perfectly. So let's see. As you can see, we started to build the floor in the kitchen. The boat is pretty dirty right now. It's in the middle of the reconstruction, so please don't get scared. I can't wait to start cleaning all this mess.
Nestor surprised us and put the floor in. Now the next step is to organize those cables you see back there.
In the next step, we're going to move the refrigerator from our bedroom to our kitchen.
It was crazy hard. It took us like 30 minutes to get it in there.
Pasó. Nice. Ponlo aquí. Yo voy a sacar. ¿Tú necesitas, quieres una nevera?
The guys made it and it fit perfectly.
Now, Nestor is doing all the measurements to put the wood for the countertop. If you see here, we're just trying to cut little by little the wood so it fits perfectly in the curvature of the sailboat. This is Apollo supervising us working. And downstairs, Nestor and us were doing the final cuts for the kitchen.
Later that day, we finished the whole countertop and even made the hole for the sink, and it fit perfectly. Today we are going to put epoxy all over the countertop and make it waterproof. Look who is inside the hall.
I'll cry. I can't open my eyes. So much fumes.
Yeah, we are putting the glue so it's waterproof.
See like that?
Bad.
I need air.
Chilling. Look, and now it's raining on us. Apollo, it's raining on us. Look. And the smell downstairs, so I don't want to go there. Okay, so we finished and we're gonna go take off to the land because the boat is not smelling the best right now. Right, Carlito?
Right, Janita. I'm tired. I'm kind of fumed out right now.
Oh, I decided to give you some update, guys. We already built the main part, how I told you, and now we're getting ready to put the backsplash. I have it ready, and put the floor, matching the rest of the door on the floor. It's looking very disorganized here, but we are getting closer. The refrigerator is waiting here. The sink is ready. There is some wood we may be gonna use. My old kitchen, and we still have to go by the kitchen. It's going over here, and yeah, guys.
As it was raining, we took the day to go to see some porcelain to put on the countertops.
This place, it's called Floor and Decor, and it's located in Wynwood, Miami. I like that. Well, that's for a kitchen, that's for floor, I think. Oh yeah? Even if they have so many options, we didn't choose any. We decided to check another shop before we gonna buy anything. The next day we bought oven and went to check a local shop called Sailorman. It's basically like West Marine but thrift shop. You can find basically everything. We went to another location of floor and decor where was a lot more options. The place was huge and we immediately found the countertop we were looking for. We decided to use a countertop made of porcelain. We were looking for something very light color to add extra light into the kitchen, and that's it.
We bought all this stuff without thinking if it would fit in the car. We have a Toyota Corolla, so it's a very small car. But it did fit at the end. We had the same problem with the kitchen that we had with the refrigerator. It did not go through the hatchet.
Through here. And again, we need to take it apart.
We thought that taking apart the kitchen would help, but it didn't. We had to cut a little bit of the bow, but it was just the trim, not a big deal.
This piece of wood, but we're gonna replace it and make it even better. So hopefully we can put it in. It's all apart, as you can see. And Apollo, little supervisor. As you can see, we took everything out for nothing. I'm feeling sorry for the boat, but it's the only way how to put the oven inside. Oh no, seems like we have to cut the other side too. Oven is almost in. Show me. Ah, only millimeters missing. This is so nerve-wracking. It's so be careful of my oven. Ready? That's fine. Getting in.
Yeah, baby! Give me a high five.
Nestor, who is helping us with the whole kitchen, came back and started cutting the marble we picked for our kitchen counter.
Here's Nestor cutting the porcelain for the countertop. Here's Nestor checking out the backsplash, but if you follow along, you will see that we had a problem.
Now, we are going to use Flex Bond and mix it with water and stick the porcelain countertop on the top of the wood. Even if it doesn't look like, the back is super heavy. We're going to mix it with this piece of wood. Cry, baby.
Echa un poquito ahí. Dale, no, dale. ¿Qué dice? Ahí aguanta un poquito. Que no se empelote.
Hey guys, so meanwhile the guys are working on the kitchen. I'm gonna try to take out this glass. No, it's not really glass, it's like plexiglass from this window, and we already bought a new one so we can replace it after. So I'm just gonna try to take it out. I know it's like super unprofessional to do that with a fork, but it's so old so it's super easy to take out. And I didn't even hurt myself yet, just a little bit. So as you can see, last piece wasn't hard at all. Pieces here. I'm gonna try to take out all this. Maybe scrape the old color and paint it and put the new glass. So let's see here what the guys are doing.
Do you know where the rubber hammer is?
Rubber hammer?
Yeah.
I just seen it a few minutes ago.
And after a couple of minutes, we found it.
¿Quieres más?
No, aquí tengo bastante aquí. Demasiado ya.
No quiere subir, está pegado. Sí, ya el oxígeno se salió. Ahí va a salir.
What is the problem? There's oxygen?
I think it got too,
What's up?
it's too high.
Too many things.
Yeah.
Explain, honey, for the YouTube followers.
So I guess we put too much mortar, it's called?
Yeah.
Mortar, and now they don't get equally leveled, so we're taking out some so it can get leveled from one tile to the other.
And this is the new window we are going to put on, but first we have to paint it.
Alright, so while the guys continue work on the kitchen, I'm gonna keep working on the window. I have this scraping paper, and what I'm gonna try to do, scrape the paint around and put some tape on this and maybe paint it, but I don't know if I have white paint. I have to check.
As you can see, the reconstruction mess is real.
So this is our backsplash.
We also still preparing everything for the oven installation. Polo came downstairs and check on us how it's everything going.
On an eighth. This is my mark.
Okay, so circle it.
11 and an eighth.
Putting oven
So
on the
11
right
and an
spot,
eighth,
it's
I
not
need
that
to go.
easy.
Here is Nestor cutting the inside cabinet wood floor. This guy's a beast. He's so fast working. Look how Nestor's leaving the kitchen. Me and Janita decided to fix one of the hatchet, paint it, and put a new plexiglass. The plexiglass will come a little bit later in the video. Putting the tile, the backsplash. Here's Nestor putting the backsplash. We had to change it because the other one, we couldn't find the same one in Home Depot. Pick this one, new backsplash, other one, and here's the old one that we will use for the bathroom maybe later on in the next project. So we decided to go with these. What I like about these is that they're lighter, a lot lighter, a little bit harder to cut, but I think it's coming out sweet. Nestor taking his time putting the backsplash. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. Aquí no entra. we decided to use the fake panels for one of the walls in the kitchen. I think it looks nice. What do you guys think?
They want.
A little update to see how the kitchen is looking. I think it's looking on point. What do you guys think? Please comment below and tell us.
We are finally
Here we are putting the new plexiglass. It looks so nice and it lets the light of the sun come in to the kitchen so Janita can have more light in there.
Apolito assisting like always. Are you ready for that? We are going to put the glass.
And the most satisfying part of all is this part, taking out the plastic to reveal the amazing and clean plexiglass underneath.
What may take it?
So satisfying.
Your hand? Ah, it looks like there is nothing here. Now I'm gonna put some alcohol to clean the little pieces.
Please subscribe. Tell them. Subscribe. Subscribe.